Yes, Tinder is working on a $500 subscription, tentatively called Tinder Vault. $500. What? Yeah. What do I get in the vault, Will? Tinder has struggled to move away from its identity as a hookup app. Its parent company Match Group talked up premium subscription features. Tinder is working on an ultra-expensive subscription offering what seems explicitly geared towards those wealthy enough. Well, yeah, $500. Looking to swipe right on other semi-influential folks. The company is leaving the door open to abandon the idea altogether, meaning that those with deep pockets would be left swiping left on the $500 a month subscription called Tinder Vault. Such a subscription would make them known to the pool of people who are also willing to pay. So it would just say, I'm rich, you're rich?
Yeah, let's get together.
Well, I'm a Vault member. I can afford the
sushi.
I can afford the 500, so it's good. That's it? Really, Will?
I guess so. Hold on. There's other stuff here.
What else do I get in this freemium universe play?
You get a special status.
Okay.
I guess probably on your profile.
Okay.
Priority pass.
For what? Profile boosts? I don't know anything about Tinder. What happens to the profile boost? I show up in more people's swipers?
Yeah, probably. Personalized concierge service.
Yeah.
A pickup artist with 24/7 advice.
Get out of here.
So if you're chatting with someone, you can ask the pickup concierge.
Is that a human or an AI?
It's probably human, right?
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure it's human.
I get a human pickup artist?
You have a premium passport. It gives users access to its most active and influential members. Oh.
Okay, this sounds insane. I don't know. So these people must really love the Tinder, man. $500 subscription?
Yeah.
You got to really love the Tinder for that.
It's still big. It's still going on. But $500, man.
Yeah, that's more than Netflix.
Yeah. Paying for love.